TikTok Shop Sales Margin Calculator. TikTok Shop Sales Margin Calculator is a powerful tool that helps sellers determine their exact profit margins on every sale. It calculates the difference between the product's selling price and total costs, including shipping, packaging, and platform fees. By using a margin calculator, sellers can clearly understand their profitability and make better pricing decisions to increase revenue. This tool simplifies the financial side of selling by providing accurate, real-time insights into how much profit you make per product. It allows you to test different pricing strategies, manage expenses, and maintain healthy margins. With Helium 10, sellers can integrate similar analytical features to track costs, estimate profit margins, and optimize listings for maximum returns on TikTok Shop. Successful TikTok Shop sellers use Helium 10's calculation tools to monitor expenses and ensure that every sale brings in sustainable profit. These tools give a complete view of product performance, helping sellers balance competitive pricing with healthy margins. Helium 10 empowers users to stay data-driven and financially confident in their e-commerce decisions. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by checking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to precise profit calculators that help you measure, plan, and grow your TikTok Shop sales margins effectively.